Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Lazada. So if Lazada is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in the control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email linked to your Lazada account. Next, check if the Lazada app needs an update. For that, you need to go on App Store, search for Lazada and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Lazada app. For that, you need to press and hold the Lazada app icon. Tap on Remove App and then delete the app, and then you can later reinstall it from the App Store and request for verification code again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Lazada's server. If there's maintenance or high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Lazada. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.